Okay, so I went over how to get some of these corners in. You do it all the same way, and you go through each corner and move them up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the easier way of moving these cubes up, no matter what the thing is. Because like I mentioned before, the longest amount of moves is when the green is on the bottom. But I can fix that. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is go for another cube. This is green, yellow, orange. Okay, and with it facing you, change the top two so you can see the yellow and the orange needs to go up here. Now, looking at where the green is, which is your top color, what I do is if it's to the right, because it's going to be right, left, or down, if it's to the right, you're going to just do the normal right inverted, down, right, back. You don't really have to go back but for the sake of knowing algorithm, you can just do it that way. That brings it up there. Okay, that's the basic move. Now, if we're looking at it and we don't want to do that, because if it's here, we do the same algorithm, it's going to be in the wrong spot. So, green to the left, very easy. Okay, you take this bottom part, and the way I look at it is you moving the green over to the left, right inverted, bringing this down, then you're bringing this piece back, lines it up, move it up. Okay, now the third possibility is when it's on the bottom. That's one's a little trickier, but it's not terribly difficult. Hopefully I can get this piece down there fast enough. Okay, alright, now we have the green, which is on the bottom. Now white and red, red, white, it goes up here. And the way you want to do this one for the least amount of moves, and the green is on the bottom, so you want to do right inverted, then you want to do down twice, 1, 2, and then bring this back up, which is right. Okay, bring this over. Okay, now you have the green, which is to the right. Then you have, obviously, you know, it's white and red. You're bringing this back. What it did is it changed the orientation and just flipped it up once. And all you got to do is just right inverted, right, down, but you don't really have to go down. And now you see you moved it up there. You actually cut the amount of moves considerably by doing that. And if you want to learn those three as opposed to just doing the regular algorithm, you can do it that way too. Doesn't matter, whatever is easier. And as a result, you'll have all green sides, everything's lined up right, reds, yellows. Okay, and once that's done, now we got the rest of the cube to worry about. Then the next step is it's going to be getting these bad boys into the right spot. And this is where the cube gets a little bit more complicated. It's a little bit more memorization, but as you keep doing it, it'll start making more sense to you, and you'll be on your path to solving this thing.